Hi, JD Opal here with FC Tucker MD Realtors and Team McClintock, and we're here at the brand new platted Pebble Creek subdivision in Newburgh. And you can see all the lots here. We do have one under construction down the way that Kelsey Simmons is going to be showing you. She's here with me today. But we're right on Bell Road. You have access to everything that you need. You have Walmart, you have Schnucks, banks, cleaning, anything that you want right here off of Bell Road. So we're going to turn it over to Kelsey, and she's going to show you the inside of this new construction home.
Hi, it's Kelsey Simmons with Team McClintock, and I'm here at this new construction in the newly platted Pebble Creek subdivision in Newburgh at 8679 Pebble Creek. It is a two-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 townhouse that you can see is still being finished. So upstairs, you will find 2 bedrooms, a large loft, like a bonus room area that I'll be able to show you when we get going into the living room, and then a full-size bathroom for those 2 bedrooms upstairs. As you walk through, watch your step, but you will have a coat closet, and then, one of my favorite things, you have a Harry Potter closet for those Harry Potter fans out there. If you watch Harry Potter, you know his bedroom is underneath the stairs. Here's one. Maybe you have a kid. No, just kidding, just kidding. Then you have the kitchen, which will be open to your living room. You can, once it's finished, put bars, stools here. I love that they have the 2 tones, so you have your brown with your white. And these cabinets just got put in. They're so nice. They are soft close cabinets. Ooh. And soft close drawers. Then over here, this is one of my favorites. I love whenever our house has a hidden pantry. So you've got plenty of storage. These come out so you can put spices, non-perishable items, and just fill that in. Since you don't have an actual walk-in pantry, it's so nice that they put this built-in one. This would be for the dishwasher, oven, and then the refrigerator. Then as we come in here, I am now standing in what would be the living room. Awesome vaulted ceilings. It's the 2 stories. Then you've got great natural light coming in, plenty of room for our couch, TVs, and it leads out to the patio. Then if you wrap around, you can see upstairs, that's where you have that large like loft bonus room area. And then down the hallway is the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom, full bath for upstairs. As you come through the living room, the master bedroom is on the main floor. So here's the master, and you can get a better look of what the flooring looks like downstairs. I know it's partly covered, but they're doing their best to, keep your new home nice and clean before you move in. You have a walk-in closet, or what will be a walk-in closet, and then the master bath has nice tile floors, and then it's kind of dark, but a tiled shower. I love how they added this fun little design into it to really personalize this. And then the built-in like shelf for your bar, your soap bars, shampoo, whatever you need. So a nice size. It looks like it's going to be a double vanity master bathroom. And then the last things on the main floor are through the living room. So then as you come through, downstairs is where you have what would be your laundry room. You've got great shelving up in here too, so you can put all your cleaning supplies, laundry detergents, whatever you need. And then across from the laundry room would be a half bath for like guests, whenever you're hosting parties and get-togethers. And then through here is your double door, or 2-car garage. And this is so nice because when you come in, you can leave your muddy clothes, shoes, whatever over here, and then walk straight through in the kitchen to put your groceries down. This is going to be beautiful when it's done. I'm already excited about it, and they still have a little bit ways to go. If you're interested in finding out more information, go to teammcclintock.com or call any of us at Team McClintock. Have a great day.